Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at ETX Capital. Be sure to like, subscribe and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. ETX Capital is a trusted Forex broker that was founded more than 50 years ago, and it is based in London. With ETX Capital, you can trade over 5,000 instruments on their award-winning platform, and they provide plenty of resources for analysis and education. ETX Capital keeps client funds in segregated accounts, and they are regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority and the South African Financial Sector Conduct Authority. They are also registered on the Financial Services Compensation Scheme, which gives you an extra level of investor protection as a client. Not only is ETX Capital one of the most trusted beginner-friendly brokers, but they also offer premium account packages for high net worth investors and professional traders. ETX Capital offers a user-friendly website. You can easily find more information about their platforms, instruments, resources and tools by navigating the menu bar. The homepage displays information about their trading platforms and highlights the exclusive features of their premium account. You can also find direct links to the trading instruments offered by scrolling down the homepage. At the bottom of the homepage, you will also find links to market analysis, webinars, and expert support. Their contact details can be found at the bottom of the homepage. If you would like to learn more about the other instruments offered by ETX Capital, you can either click on the Markets tab or select an option from the Instruments section on the homepage. ETX Capital currently offers more than 60 currency pairs, with spreads starting as low as 0.6 pips. The ETX Capital customer support team can be reached via live chat, Facebook Messenger, or email. They are available 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and you can also contact them directly via telephone. If you have any questions about your account, trading costs, platforms, or anything else, there are also detailed answers to some of the most commonly asked questions in the FAQ section. ETX Capital accounts can be connected to the MetaTrader 4 platform, and you can also use the ETX Capital Trader Pro proprietary platform. MetaTrader 4 is a popular trading platform that was released in 2005. It comes with advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading support, and can be downloaded at no cost. With MetaTrader 4, you get access to 3 types of order execution, over 30 built-in indicators, one-click and algorithmic trading, fundamental analysis, suggested trading strategies, expert advisors, and more. MetaTrader 4 is one of the best trading platforms you can use. However, ETX Capital also offers a selection of award-winning proprietary trading platforms, as well as a remastered mobile version of MetaTrader 4. The ETX Trader platform comes with a variety of chart types, charting tools, technical indicators, and drawing tools. There are 8 types of chart layouts that you can use, and intuitive risk management tools. It also comes with Fibonacci drawing tools, line drawing tools, measuring tools, and annotation tools. They also provide more than 60 technical indicators that can be used to monitor market trends and price movements. And you can split your charts in more than 10 different ways and view them simultaneously. You can also customize your workspace and save up to 10 different workspaces that you can use depending on the instruments you are trading and the strategies you are using. What we really like about ETX Trader Pro is that you can also download the mobile application. With this application, you will be able to set up trading alerts, create personalized watch lists, and interact with charts using all the innovative drawing tools provided. Their proprietary Trader Pro application has won several awards, including the best trading platform, best trading tools, and best trading platform for professionals in 2019. In 2020, the app was awarded with the best Forex trading support in Europe and the best mobile and tablet application. Finding a trading platform you like is important, but you also need to make sure that the broker you choose provides all the tools and resources that you will need for your trading strategy to be successful. ETX Capital offers two types of trading accounts, as well as demo accounts for beginners or traders who want to test their strategies in a risk-free environment. Accounts can be funded using three base currencies, namely the Great British Pound, the US dollar, or the euro, and several payment methods are accepted, including Skrill, debit and credit cards, as well as Union Pay. If you are a beginner, a casual trader, or a retail trader, then we recommend opening a standard account. This account type is suitable for all types of traders, and you can use this account to trade all the instruments they offer. The standard account will also give you access to the ETX Capital platforms as well as MetaTrader 4. The minimum deposit required to activate a standard account is £100, and the spreads on this account for major currency pairs starts as low as 0.6 pips. If you are a professional trader, or you are planning on making big deposits or trading high volumes, then we recommend using the premium account instead. This account requires a minimum deposit of £10,000 and comes with a dedicated relationship manager, free unlimited withdrawals, and exclusive daily market updates with VIP access to special webinars. You will also have direct access to the ETX Capital Market Analysis support line and the pre-market open Sunday webinars that are hosted every week before the next trading cycle starts. If you are not quite ready to open a real account and you would like some practice first, then you can open a demo account to practice trading completely risk-free with virtual funds. It appears that ETX Capital does not currently give their clients the option to convert their accounts to swap-free accounts. However, this option could become available in the near future. Creating an account with ETX Capital may take up to 24 hours, depending on the type of account you open. But the account creation process is straightforward, and you can contact their customer support team if you have any questions regarding your account. Firstly, launch the ETX Capital homepage, and then click on the Create Account or Open Live Account buttons. Complete the online application form, and then verify your account and email address. Once your account has been verified and set up, you will be logged into the ETX Capital client portal. And once your account is approved, you can fund your account and simply start trading. Within the client portal, you can contact customer support, view education, manage your accounts, and more. Once your account is set up and approved, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred platform, and then log in with the credentials provided. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with ETX Capital. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch, your one-click trading window, and a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader platform or the ETX Capital Trader Pro platform, the broker provides a wide variety of platform tutorial videos over on their educational section to help you with the basics of platform functionality and to get started. With regards to their educational resources, if you are a first-time trader or a professional seeking more knowledge, ETX Capital provides plenty of high-quality ebooks, platform guides, and courses to help you along the way. The ebooks they offer are written by trading experts, and they teach you about using technical indicators, choosing the right trading opportunities, and using trading strategies. You can also enroll in a trading course If you would like to learn about trading a specific instrument, or if you want to improve your risk management skills. If you are struggling to use the platforms, they provide video tutorials that you can watch to learn how the platforms work, as mentioned earlier. If you've gotten the hang of the basics of Forex trading, and you're just looking for accurate market insights, commentary and news updates, ETX Capital also provides articles covering a variety of topics that you can use to make more informed decisions. Over the years this broker has been in operation, they have received many awards over the years. Some of their most recent awards include the Best Online Trading Services Provider in 2022, the Best CFD Provider, the Best Client Relationship Manager Service, and the Best Spread Betting Provider in 2021. In 2020, they were awarded with the Best Spread Betting Platform, the Best Forex Trading Support in Europe, the Best Mobile and Tablet Application, and more. Overall, there are many benefits to trading with ETX Capital, but what we like the most about them is that they offer thousands of tradable instruments and an award-winning trading platform. ETX Capital is a safe and regulated Forex broker that is suitable for all types of traders, including beginners, and they have more than 50,000 clients from all around the world. Whether you join ETX Capital as a client or an affiliate, you can rest assured that you're dealing with a broker that has a good reputation and a clean track record. If you are interested, be sure to join ETX Capital today to get a head start on your trading career. And that is our overview of ETX Capital. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.